Here's a sports car from the 70s that you don't see a whole lot of. This gained popularity over the years. 1972 Datsun 240Z. Now this particular car powered by a 2,393cc single overhead cam engine, 2-valve per cylinder. Otherwise a 2.4 liter inline 6 would be the same thing depending on how you're looking at it. It would have a 7-bearing crankshaft, recommended max engine speed of 7,000 RPMs. I think it red lines at either 6 or 7. Now this engine in this car is a numbers matching engine, and you can tell that by the engine number stamped into the side of the block. It does match up with the engine number tag that is in the engine compartment. That tag in the engine compartment will also have the body number on it, and there is a VIN on this car in the usual spot up on the dash, and then that matches the VIN plate and the stamping in the door jamb. So all numbers, all tags, everything on this. You want to check those out too. You can check those out at uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll have all the still pictures there. Go down below this video in the description. There's a link. You can click on it and it's going to take you right there. Of course, feel free to call us too. 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out. This car is riding on American Racing aluminum slots. It's an older restoration. This paint and everything was restored around the 99 to 2000 range, so it is an older paint. It does show its age some. This is one of those cars you want to drive it the way it is, drive it, have some fun with it. You want to take it to the next level, do some work, some TLC, take it to the next level, you can do that too. These things all 100% done up do bring some pretty good money. There's no doubt about that. You just don't see a lot of them around anymore. Of course, a little 2-seater. That inline 6 in this one is paired with a manual 5-speed transmission. Car runs nice and smooth. We're going to start it up here in a little bit. Let's check out the engine bay and what have you. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. And of course, it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. Now, these cars had rack and pinion steering, actually front disc brakes, rear drum, still the way that this is set up. Also is independent front and rear suspension in these. This car has had electronic ignition added to it also. Has a Canon intake and dual carb setup on it. And again, we're going to check out underneath the hood in just a bit. Now, these were a hatchback, obviously. Let's pop this. I have it unlocked. Take a look back here. Rear strut tower brace going across there. Gives you a look at the interior. Black interior, kind of a gray or carbon colored seats. Once again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Otherwise, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. That number, once again, 507-386-1726. I have all the still pictures of the underside, interior, engine bay. Now, you can see this door has been repainted here. A little bit different shade of blue. Just want to point that out. And again, this was an older restoration. You want to take to that next level, feel free to. Want to jump in and drive it, enjoy it the way it is, do that too. Kind of cool how low they had the door latches on these to get out, but it makes it quite easy when you're sitting in the car to reach down and grab it right there. Good spot for it. Kind of interesting, a lot of new American cars now have the headlights or wipers on the shafts coming out of the column. This was way back in 72. Nissan already had that. See how easily it starts up. Cool sounding car too, that inline 6. Now the odometer is 61,166 or 186. I can't confirm whether that's original miles according to the previous owner who got it from his dad. This car was in their family for quite some time, believed to be original miles. gauge cluster. Little aftermarket JVC stereo has been added. 5-speed. Take a look at the dash, also in nice shape. Take a look at the headliner, also in nice shape. Vinyl bucket seats. Don't really show any rips or tears in those. Slip around to the back of this so you can hear it. Pretty cool sounding car, especially under power. The RPM's up there. This one's got a great sound to it. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. It's going to be a little easier for me to pop that hood. So hang on, let me get this hood open. Alright, so here is the original engine. Came with this car. Dual carb setup. See a strut power brace there. Power brakes. Each carb separate intake and an intake. Dual carbs. The electronic ignition. See how it's nice and smooth it runs. Again, a single overhead cam engine. 2,393 cc or 2.4 liter. Right down here on the block, you'll see pictures that we have on the website of the engine number, and then there's also a plate that you'll see pictures of right here. Tells you what the engine number should be if it's original, the body number and everything. Those all match up. Thought this was kind of cool. This is a trouble light that would have came with it that you can take off and the wire would pull out in case you want to change the tire or have problems outside of the car. Look at this. It even works. Kind of cool. There you have it. 1972 Datsun 240Z. Don't see a lot of these around. What a cool 70s sports car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Ask your sales associate when emailing in or calling us. Look forward to hearing from you.